Okay, so good morning everyone. My name is Yosia with Nesimnasi. So today I will present my essay is entitled about communicative and task-based teaching method in BIPA, bridging language instruction and learner needs. So in this slide, in this presentation I will explain about two teaching methods that can help foreign learners learn to learn Indonesian more effectively. It's about CLT and TBLT. So, so in this slide, we we will learn about the evolution of BIPA. So in this slide is the evolution of BIPA is adapting Indonesian language instruction for global need. So in over time, BIPA has changed. So like in the past, BIPA just focused on the grammar and the vocabulary, but now they are focused on communication and practicing skill to speak in the real life situation. And the next one is the growing demand for BIPA. So we have 2 points here. The first one is global influence. So some students um, they are learn Indonesian for global influence. It's like increased interest in academic, professional, and cultural exchange as Indonesian expands its role in the global stage. So and the second one is learner diversity. So some of the students is learn for international students require the language for specific goals, higher education, research, tourism, and daily professional communication. So we move to the next slide. Okay, so in this slide, I will explain about the challenge in BIPA instruction. So teaching Indonesian to foreign students presents unique pedagogical hurdles. The first one is varying linguistic and cultural background because the students is from different background and culture. And then traditional grammar focused method often fail to develop communicative competence because so this one is about the grammar focus that they are learned, so they are just focus on the grammar but not for the communication competence. And the last one is the need for meaningful interaction simulating real life situation. So the students have to learn like communicative in real life situation, not meaningful interaction like real life conversation and something like that. So we move to the next slide. So the next slide is about communicative language teaching that just focus as a language as a tool for communication. So this is the first method that can help the foreign learners to studying Indonesian language. So communicative language teaching just focus on communications to make the students can communicate with other like participation in the class like discussion and can make confidence with the other students. So next slide is CLT in the BIPA classroom. We have 3 points here. The first one is meaning over rules. So the first one is just for meaning over rules is like focus on interaction based learning through role plays, interviews, and presentation based on daily life. So in this, they are just focused like on role plays, like presentation, like interviews, or yeah, or something like they are doing presentation in real life. And then active participation. So students shift from passive receivers to active participants, reducing anxiety and building confidence. So the students can build confidence where they are learn by doing something like like as a participants, or they are building some confidence for communication like discussion or something. Then collaborative. Encourage collaborative learning where students work together to solve the real communication problems. So they are work together like role plays and they make a group or make a discussions or presentation. So when they are work together or collaborate together, they can solve a real communication problems. And the next slide is about student impact metrics. So in here, can build confidence in CLT-based material significantly improve speaking ability and classroom engagement by prioritizing meaning learners overcome the barrier of nervous hesitation often found in grammar curricula. So it's like the impact for the students is make the students more confident and that improve their speaking skills and make them can collaborate or can work together with their uh, classroom and they can make something like learn together to solve some problem like communication in real life. That is the impact matrix of CLT. So we move to the next slide. It's about task-based learning teaching, bridging classroom learning, and real-world action. This is the second method that can help the foreign learners when they want to learn Indonesian more effectively. So in this method, it's about uh, classroom learning and real-world action. It's like they are doing some work like tasks that can help them to understand more about Indonesian. So this is the task-based language teaching, like the activity framework. So we have a three level, like the beginner, the intermediate, and the advanced. And then we have the type of task and example of the activity. The first one is the beginner. So in the beginner level or the beginner students, we the task type is just like a transactional task. So the activity example is like doing shopping at a local traditional market. That is the example. And second one is the intermediate. The intermediate, the type of task is like collaborative planning, like the students designing a plan like a 5 days or a week travel eternity across like Indonesian Idol or someplace around them. Then the advanced level is analytical. The type of task is like analytical or academic. So it's like conducting interviews with native speaker on social issues. So the task is more higher and more difficult. Yeah. So we move to the next slide. The next slide. So the next slide is about cultural immersion. So beyond vocabulary, language acquisition happens naturally with the task simulate Indonesian social life. Activities such as bargaining at market help learner master Indonesian, politeness, strategies, and social norms. So in this slide, it's explained about the social norms and cultural the cultural and when the way the students know how to grade someone or like politeness when they are like offer something or like when they want to buy something they have to use this word and yeah something like that. The last slide is about the role of technology. The first one is digital collaboration. So it is online platform that allows for cross-border interaction and creative project management. So it's like using online platform to helping them to improve their interaction and creative project management. And the second one is multimedia resource. So in here they can like using YouTube videos or something like songs, Indonesian songs or videos, so they can use it to improve their listening, speaking, and they can watch like daily videos so they can improve their vocabulary or they can improve the speaking skill in daily then daily real situation. Yeah, the real situation. And then the last one is modern engagement. It is using social media content to expose students to contemporary and informal Indonesian language use. So it is like using social media to make a content to expose students like to learn Indonesian to more informal Indonesian languages. So that is all of my presentations. Thank you. See you next time.